That's a great choice. Kladdkaka is famous for being incredibly easy to make, often requiring just one bowl and no electric mixer. It's a rich, Swedish, sticky chocolate cake, crispy on the outside and gooey in the middle. Here is a very simple recipe based on common methods. Easy Kladdkaka, sticky chocolate cake. This recipe is simple, uses basic pantry staples, and comes together very quickly. Ingredients: 100 g, approx 7 Tbsp, unsalted butter, plus extra for greasing, 2 large eggs 200 g, approx 1 cup, castor sugar, Tbsp vanilla extract, or vanilla sugar, 125 g, approx 1 cup, plain all-purpose flour, 25 g, approx 1 cup, unsweetened cocoa powder, a pinch of salt, optional but enhances flavor, icing, powdered sugar, for dusting, for serving. Instructions: 1 bowl method, preheat and prep. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees, 350 degrees. Grease and line the bottom of a 20 cm, 8-inch round springform cake tin. You can dust the sides with a little flour or cocoa powder for easy release. Melt the butter. Melt the butter either gently in a saucepan or in the microwave. Set it aside to cool slightly. Mix wet ingredients. In a large bowl, whisk the eggs, castor sugar, and vanilla extract until just combined. You do not need to whisk until pale and fluffy. Overmixing incorporates air, which can prevent the cake from being sticky. Add melted butter. Stir the slightly cooled melted butter into the egg and sugar mixture. Add dry ingredients. Sift the flour and cocoa powder into the bowl. This prevents lumps. Add the pinch of salt. Combine. Gently fold the dry ingredients into the wet mixture using a spatula or wooden spoon until they are just incorporated and no streaks of flour remain. Do not overmix. The batter will be quite thick. Bake. Pour the batter into your prepared tin and smooth the top. Bake for about 15 to 20 minutes. Crucial step. You want the cake to be slightly firm around the edges, but the center should still be quite wobbly when you gently shake the pan. This is what makes it gooey. Cool. Remove from the oven and let it cool completely in the tin. This allows the center to set into that signature sticky, fudgy texture. Serve. Dust with a generous layer of icing sugar before serving. Kladdkaka is traditionally served with whipped cream and fresh berries. Tips for the perfect Kladdkaka settings.